Hi, in this video we're going to address an important problem that you may have noticed, and it's the problem that Carol can't turn right. So let's revisit our Build a Tower program. In this program we wanted Carol to build a stack of 3 tennis balls and then end up on top of the tower facing east. You may have ended up at a spot like this in your program. Carol was on top of the tower, and what you wanted is Carol to turn right. So maybe you wrote a command like this: turn right, open paren, close paren, semicolon. And because that's what you wanted Carol to do, and Carol can turn left, but when you may have tried this, you'll notice that Carol can't turn right. This would have thrown an error. This is not one of the commands that the dog knows. So instead, what you may have figured out is that you need to say turn left, turn left, turn left. You need to say that 3 times to accomplish the same task. But don't you wish you could say turn right? That's really what you want to tell the dog to do, but the dog doesn't know that command. So the answer, introducing functions. Functions are the way to teach Carol new words. So what is a function? A function is a way to teach Carol a new word, a new behavior that he doesn't know. So what we want to do is teach Carol how to turn right. So what that means is that we'll write a function called turn right, and this is what it looks like. We first write the keyword function, space, and then turn right, which is the name of our function, open parens, close parens, open curly brace, and then the 3 commands that we want, the recipe for how to turn right. So turning right for Carol is the same as turning left 3 times. And then we end with a close curly brace. So let's look carefully there. Turn right is the name of the function. These open curly brace and close curly brace specify what is inside that function. Everything between those braces is the function body. And so here, this is the recipe for how to turn right. These are the instructions. So now let's go into our code editor and make this happen. Alrighty, so here we have the program where Carol builds a tower, and if I reset and run it, we'll see that we're almost at the point where Carol can turn right. So I'll say turn right, and if I call that, we see we get an error. Turn right isn't defined. So let's define it. Function turn right, open parens, close parens. And then here, the way we type the rest of our function is we write open curly brace, close curly brace. We put our cursor in the center and hit enter a few times. And this is where our code is going to go to define the instructions for how to turn right. So we say turn left, turn left, turn left. This is teaching Carol how to turn right. So let's reset our program and run. And we see it does what we want. Carol has now turned right.